Okay, when you're in the Florida Keys at mile marker 20, you'll find this gem, the KOA Holiday. It's windy today. I apologize in advance for the wind noise. It's very windy. Wow, that's the North Hotel. Pretty darn cool if you're into that sort of thing. It's extremely windy today, not just a little bit. Here's the Marina where they got all kinds of rentals. They're real nice here. Brooklyn gear, kayak, stand-up paddleboard, boat, pontoons, and bikes. Welcome to the Southernmost KOA. There's the Marina. Got a nice boat ramp here. I was here a couple days ago. There's all their rental stuff and parking. Quite a few open sites here the other day. Today's a Sunday. Waterfronts get taken up more easily for sure. You always see some nice buses here. This trip won't take very long. Hello. As you can see, there's plenty of vacancies, but pretty soon there won't be any. What do we got here? A Tuscany getting a bath. The Tuscany's getting a bath. And that'd be kind of cool to have a mobile pressure washer. I don't know what you'd go wash, but it'd be kind of, I guess you go wash people's RVs. Okay, I kind of cut the corner. This is the pull-through street. I said I kind of cut the corner. That was the pull-through street. I was going to show them the handicap site. Nobody's on it. I may as well show them. Right up here, there's at least one. I think there's a couple, though. They got the bricks. So it's handicap accessible. Very nice site. Oh, this was my second street anyway. Now I'm going the right way. This is another pull-through street. Temporarily lost my mind. Okay. As you can see, there's lots of vacancies right now. There's the pool, restaurant, tiki bar. They had some event not long ago that was open to the public. I was kind of wondering where everybody was going to park, but seems you could possibly find a spot. Okay, we're continuing our tour. There's some more pull-throughs. All nice big sites. For sure. Again, this is, oh, they sell you propane here too. Forgot about that. There's the shower house. Propane. Oh, I gotta show them the tent camping. I love this for tent camping. You got your own pavilion. Not quite sure how you tie your tent down, but I'm sure there's a way. Okay, there's the laundry too. Open 24 hours. There's the doggy park. That says KOA. There's definitely people in there, so it must be open. Pretty wild, huh? Looks like it's open.
Yeah, I think them finished the southern.
But it had people there too, I think. There's another.
Just workers,
There's another handicap. That's a back-end handicap. That's a nice one though. Oh, I'm lost. Oh, I turned on the wrong road. I gotta whip a Yui. I'm back at the boat ramp again. Okay. There's some really nice biking around this area, so make sure you bring your bike. Hello, how are you doing? Nothing. Banana plants, traveler palms. It's nicely landscaped here, don't you think?
Yeah.
I should have took a couple pictures. I think I'm gonna ride around and take a couple pictures just for fun. Okay, this is the exit.